Hello YouTube, this is a review of the Remington pocket knife, celebrating 200 years of Remington quality craftsmanship. Let's see what's in the box. Technical difficulties here. Oh wow. Check this sucker out. Oh, Remington 200. Oh yeah. This right here is engraved, but this right here is just lasered. Looks very nice. Yes, I really like this knife. It's super cool. Oh, it has writing on the back. Nice. The only thing I don't like about this knife is it's made in China. You'd think that Remington would have made their own knives in the USA for the 200th anniversary of an American company, but it's a pretty good knife. I like it. It's a nice little lock back. Yeah. Okay, this has been a review of the Remington 200th anniversary pocket knife. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again next time.